I cannot believe this was me. What is going on? All that's in the past. I'm Stephanie Ignafo, lifestyle medicine coach, plant interventionist. Change your diet and lifestyle, change your life. I cleaned it out, so that's why I'm brave enough to show you. For everybody on YouTube, this is a special moment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and show people that I'm real. I'm not an influencer of recipes. I'm an influencer of keeping it real. Black Eyed Peas. Love that group, by the way. Here's my tour of how I lost 100 pounds, how my family lost 250 pounds, how I ate my plants off, stopped dieting, and started thriving. This isn't a diet, this is a lifestyle. For the animals, the planet, and for your health, eat your plants off.